Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Stellar Lumens price prediction and Stellar Lumens news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Stellar Lumens in 2022. Put simply, Stellar is an open network that allows money to be moved and stored. When it was released in July 2014, one of its goals was boosting financial inclusion by reaching the world's unbanked. But soon afterwards, its priorities shifted to helping financial firms connect with one another through blockchain technology. The network's native token, Lumens, serves as a bridge that makes it less expensive to trade assets across borders. All of this aims to challenge existing payment providers, who often charge high fees for a similar service. If all of this sounds familiar, it is worth noting that Stellar was originally based on the Ripple Labs protocol. The blockchain was created as a result of hard fork, and the code was subsequently rewritten. Since May of last year, Stellar observed a steady downtrend while it marked lower peaks while maintaining the 13-month-long support at the $0.195 mark. Considering the bullish comeback over the last month and the rejection of lower prices, a likely close above the 20 cents mark would propel a test at the upper trend line of the down channel that coincided with the 50 EMA. At press time, XLM traded at 20 cents. Ever since XLM struck its 3-year high on the 16th of May 2021, it steeply turned downward and traded between the 19 cents to 39 cents range for over 8 months now. The recent bearish phase marked a down channel on its daily chart as the alt lost nearly 62% from the 10th of November and hit its 1-year low on the 22nd of January. During this phase, the 50 EMA stood as a sturdy resistance and confirmed the long-term downtrend. The fall halted at its 13-month support, where the buyers stepped in to initiate a 29% recovery and test the upper trend line of the down channel on the 8th of February. Interestingly, a trend reversal occurred when the bears approached the 10-cent support in July 2021. Now, it seemed likely for the history to repeat while XLM saw a Morningstar candlestick pattern, and the technical indicators confirmed the increasing buying strength. Moreover, the recent bullish comeback formed a strong demand zone, rectangle, near the 20 cents level. Any close above the 20 cents mark would likely lead to a test of around the 23 cents mark before pulling back. Should the bulls fail to close above $0.221, a direct retest of the demand zone should not surprise the traders. The RSI was in an uptrend over the last month but still needed to close above the half line to confirm the change in momentum. It needs to bounce back from its trendline support to brighten the chances of snapping off the 20 cents mark. The CMF rapidly upturned and swayed above the half line, hinting at a change in the trend. Furthermore, the supertrend revealed a buy signal and reaffirmed the increasing buying pressure. As XLM reversed from the crucial 10-cent support, the chances of a trend reversal are bright whilst its technical indicators confirm the increasing buying influence. One can expect a clash between the buyers and sellers between the 23 cents and the demand zone in the days to come before a trend-committing move. Besides, the broader market sentiment and the on-chain developments need to be factored in to make a profitable move. XRP and Stellar's XLM are both among the market's top 40 cryptocurrencies, and rival siblings too. The link between them is technologist Jed McCaleb, who founded Ripple and then left to co-found the Stellar Development Foundation. Analysts, journalists, and traders admittedly love business rivalries and a dramatic backstory, especially with the SEC versus Ripple Labs lawsuit heating up the courtroom. But, while XRP makes headlines, crypto watchers shouldn't lose sight of XLM. Especially since it also has ambitious plans to transform cross-border payments. To that end, AMB Crypto recently interviewed Stellar Development Foundation spokesperson Carolyn Yee to learn more about Stellar, XLM, and the SDF's future targets. Ripple appears to reign supreme in the area of CBDCs, having announced digital currency partnerships with Bhutan and Palau. Meanwhile, Stellar is often linked to Ukraine's electronic hryvnia digital currency. However, there's a catch. Yi explained, in that case, when can investors expect Stellar to help develop a true blue CBDC? After all, the company has released a white paper on the matter, so surely it must be on the agenda. Yi confirmed that conversations are ongoing, but that no more could be shared for the time being. Coming back to the e-hryvnia, however, AMB Crypto learned that Tascombank is working to build and test a regulated private electronic hryvnia on Stellar. Following this, deployment is to take place on BIT's digital currency management system. In particular, Automated market makers, AMMs, that enable DEX activities are key. Stellar has a native protocol feature for the same and recorded more than $40 million in TVL as of the 10th of January 2022. 2022 could be a good year for Stellar. However, people would like to know how Stellar will work in 2022 and what we should expect from XLM. The Stellar price forecast will cover the fundamental and technical aspects of the coming year. XLM could reach new highs, but it is also possible that the entire crypto market is expecting a collapse. In the next few sections, we will share with you all the details that you should know about the Stellar price forecast for 2022. When it comes to fundamental analysis of Stellar, we should focus on how this virtual currency attracts a large number of users from all over the world. We continue to live in a world where, for example, workers need services to send funds to their families in the regions where they live. Companies would need to start using XLM as a virtual currency for sending and receiving payments, as well as using the entire Stellar network. The implementation will be a key moment for Stellar, which is expected to become an even larger project, thanks to firms implementing XLM, as well as the Stellar network for their projects and initiatives. Until 2017, this virtual currency was out of sight of large investors. However, in the bull market of 2017 and in the first week of 2018, XLM was able to increase in price several times. During 2018, the digital asset entered the bear market, as did the entire crypto industry. This shows how important it is to follow the general trend of the market and make decisions according to how virtual currencies behave. Another thing to note is that XLM was able to recover from the bear market of 2018 and 2019 only at the beginning of 2021. Over the past 6 months, XLM has been in an accumulation phase in which it has fluctuated between 20 cents and 40 cents. This is a relatively stable price for XLM as a virtual currency, given that it is not a stable coin. It's time to start with our Stellar price forecast for 2022 and the coming years. Remember that this article is written for educational purposes only. We are not financial advisors. When it comes to Stellar's price forecast for 2022, analysts see that there is a very important critical level from which XLM can bounce back. This 20 cents level is where the digital currency has bounced twice.